covered the subsidies in arrears, which upon our discussion, nalaman natin na hindi na siya necessary na include so much amount. Actually, to my if my memory will serve me right, it's around 5 billion initially in your proposal, which we did not include already kasi po na-release na natin under UA ng 2024.
Yeah, correct.
But then we met subsequently because of the hirit po to have in the special provision a colatilla allowing for the payment of arrears, to which we said wala naman tayo sa computation na yon, pero it was agreed to include that one in anticipation of any possible appeals.
Bali, yung special provision is a standby provision.
Yes.
Because in fact, it's not included in your 2025 computation. Wala na kayong arrears. Pagkatapos nito, nako ha, pag umikot na naman at marami na namang hindi nabigyan, magtuturoan na naman tayo. Yan ang ayoko dito eh.
Madam Chair,
in any case, have you not requested DBM for additional allotment to cover the same?